It's one thing which makes it impossible to mess up your manifestation. Impossible. Which means your manifestation is obligated to happen if you do this one thing. And I need you to listen very carefully. Go get pen and paper, pause the video, because you have to write it down. You have to understand this and you have to do it now. And the results could be instant or very quick. If you do this, if you don't do this, I don't know how to help you unless you book a session with me and I'll, talk to your subconscious mind or whatever. But you can do this yourself. If you can't, please seek help. Of course, there's going to be lots of links in the video's description where you can get help from me. But please do this one thing. We talked about how if you want to get your manifestation, you have to stay in one lane. You cannot serve two masters. You can't. You either want your manifestation or you don't. So if you do want your money or love or losing weight or whatever it is, if you want your manifestation, simply have to do this. I want 50K. I insist on it. And nothing and no one take it away from me. And nothing and no one can convince me that I'm not going to get it. I'm getting my 50K. And no bad news about economy, and no mother telling me I'm useless, and no friend telling me that I suck at making money, and no getting extra bill I didn't expect can throw me off being in one lane of I have 50K, period, end of sentence. You don't move into anything else into the second lane. It's like driving on a highway. You're driving on a highway and you're going either towards New York City or San Francisco. I'm making it simple. And you want your manifestation, so you're in this lane. Then you don't want your manifestation because you're talking against it. You're in this lane. So 1 second, New York, San Francisco, New York, San Francisco, New York, San Francisco, New York. And no one, me included, and universe definitely don't know where you actually want to go. So do you want your manifestation or don't you? Do you or don't you? Pick a lane and stay there. That's the only way you can get your manifestations. But hold on, this will continue. I haven't said the right reason yet. So give me a second. So you have decided to stay in this lane. I want my 50K and nothing can happen which can take me away from this idea. And then, yes, the bad thoughts come. But what if you get an unexpected bill? And what if you are a loser? And what if the economy is bad? And what if you can never make money? And what if you had trauma which prohibits you to make money? And what if you need to heal that first? And what if you, and what if you, and what if you? And each time you redirect to, I have 50K, leave me alone. I have 50K, leave me alone. I have 50K, nothing you can do about it. I have 50K. 50K. Yeah, whatever, 50K. I have it. 50K. Yes. And this is the moment where your manifestation is yours because it doesn't matter what thoughts come your way as long as your baseline is, I have 50K. If your baseline is, I have 50K, and you may have 50 thoughts a day saying the opposite, but you redirect them to, I have 50K, you are guaranteed your manifestation, period, end of sentence, nothing to discuss. Do you understand me? This is how simple this stuff is. Just stay here, don't move, don't waver, don't change your mind, don't get anxiety, and just keep saying, I have 50K. Yeah, whatever, I don't care. Throw anything at me, and I'm insisting I have 50K. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. And this will guarantee your manifestation coming forever. If you're true to you have 50K, no matter what bad thoughts or intrusive thoughts or whatever other thoughts you have, they don't matter. You're still manifesting 50K. That's how fabulous this stuff is. And now I want you to go and execute it at the speed of light. And if you want to be a millionaire, I teach in my Millionaire Accelerator, Millionaire Identity Accelerator, which is happening right now. And someone just manifested 14K the other day out of nowhere. I teach exactly how you have to behave, what you have to think, how you assume the identity of a millionaire. You need to behave and think like that and feel like that before the money can come to you. Otherwise, the money cannot, by the laws of physics, come to you. If you want to manifest this sort of money, it's urgent. I only have 10 spaces. I'm opening 10 spaces. 2 are gone already. Third one possibly today. You need to get on a waiting list. You need to get there this week. The waiting list is in the description of the video. And I can't wait to see you there. I pick and choose who I want to work with. It's going to be fabulous. Also, subscribe to the video. Hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I release a new video. And I'll see you later. Go manifest your 50K. Bye for now.